there's fireworks going on behind me, please don't mind that. Now, being really honest, I was not gonna film this unboxing because there's just a lot of things happening this month, okay? And I was like, I don't want to do this right now. I'm just gonna open it, enjoy my stuff. But the stuff was so good that I was like, I'm just gonna do something short and quick and really quickly put together just to show you the things because yeah, they're really awesome and I want to share them. But yeah, it's gonna be really fast. I'm not gonna be like showing the demos or anything like that. Apologies. I just want to show you what was in here. So the box was super heavy, right? So I was like, what could this be? It's this. It is what's adding a lot of bulk to it. It's the smoothing body lotion, which I already do have a tiny version of because I got like the set where you could try the scrub and this follicle remover thingy, blah blah blah, and this. But I'm still really excited because my friends have KP. I cannot for the life of me remember what it means, something Polaris. And I was telling them about how I have products that I use before I shave the nether regions that apparently does or is more mainly made for KP. So I was gonna let them try the scrub out, and then I didn't really have a lot of lotion, but now I can give it to both of them and they can try it out, and hopefully that'll help them. Yeah, because I hear actually good things about that for KP. But anyways, I was like, whatever. Next thing that caught my eye, you see that? The group howls has started. Yeah, the fireworks show must have been really good, really amazing. But the next thing that caught my eye was Ulta MD. We got some name brands up in here. It's a toner. And I think this is a very generous little sample size. Definitely not the full size, but good enough. I've had something that was less than this. That was the Polish Choice toner, which is amazing. The most moisturizing feeling toner I've ever felt in my life. Did not know a toner could feel moisturizing. But I'm really excited to try this out because Ulta MD is like pretty highly recommended among dermatologists and stuff like that. And I tried a sunscreen with niacinamide inside, and one of my favorite sunscreens, yeah, is from them. So really excited because my current toner is nice, but I do prefer the Polish Choice one to this. So after I'm done with that, I was like, I'm ready to switch. But now I can kind of just try this out, and maybe I could give the toner to somebody else. I don't know. Next item that I saw was Sunday Riley product, which is so expensive. It's the CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Cream. I will say I've been getting a lot of vitamin C creams and what have you through this box. So I was just wanting to try it out and see how it is, but I hear some good things about, well, you know what, there was a controversy about there was a controversy with Sunday Riley where they were kind of making their own fake reviews, but even through that scandal, they still survive and have a good reputation as a somewhat expensive skincare company. It's not like you have to spend that much and you're like, you can't get the equivalent somewhere else, but like you're not paying for nothing, is the gist of it. So pretty excited for that. Bright yellow, heavily scented, but I can't even put my finger on it. It's almost like a spicy scent. Someone will have to tell me what that scent is, but yeah. And then, this is a very skincare heavy box, by the way. So I'm happy that I never have to buy another skincare product soon, because I'm pretty set up. This is not skincare like I thought. It is the Christophe Robin Serum Regenerant. Cute little pump bottle and glass housing. This is for your hair, okay? It is a regenerating serum, if you didn't understand. Parlez-vous français? With prickly pear oil. So it's made, I think, as also like a heat protectant type of item. So it should not be that heavy, but you should put it through wet hair, and then you can start putting your heat products, your dryers and things like that, and it will make your hair shiny and beautiful. And I just got this as like a free add-on with one of my Sephora orders, which was so good. I've never had my hair look so like sleek and beautiful before. So I'm excited to try this as well and up my hair game because I don't have a lot of things like that for my hair. And you know, in the box, I haven't heard of the brand before, but while I was reading it, the first thing was in French, not English. Okay, it was saying like, c'est luxueux elixir de Laurent composté à 94% d'ingrédients d'origine naturelle. Anyways, I was like, that's legit. It's French. It's French. You know, it's fancy and good, right? Or it's just marketing. I don't know. I'm gonna trust that it's legitimate and it's not just a marketing scam. Editing Sarah here. I did try it just now and I blow dried my hair and everything. And I will say it's initially very sleek. It is very lightweight, but I don't think it's going to be like an anti-frizz type of thing for the rest of the day in a humid environment. But it did add some shine and it's nice. But I still think the Wow hair product that I showed earlier is much better and way bigger difference. And then another skincare item, we have this mask. This is something, probably the thing I'm almost the least excited for, these last two items. The Dr. Botanicals Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. It is helping to calm blemishes. I do hear good things about turmeric as an anti-inflammatory ingredient though, in terms of eating. So I just don't know. I mean, I assume it might do the same thing. I don't know. You know how like consuming collagen is different than like putting it on your skin. There's like a different type of barrier going on and absorption. So it's like, obviously eating is going to be more effective than doing this, but we'll see. I'm not going to judge. I'll just try it on and figure it out. I'm going to do it tonight with my husband. It's a type of mask though where you put it on and then you leave it for 20 minutes and then you have to wash it off, which I don't love. I hate the washing off part. I like putting it on and then peeling it off or like something else. I hate wash off masks, but I will try it and use as much of it as I can. And lastly, it is the Ciat London Felt Tip Liner. I prefer brush tips, that's why I'm not that excited for this. However, I am interested in this Fierce Flicks eyeliner just to try it out because the only other eyeliner I have at the moment is the Lancome Idole liner, which is a felt tip. Okay, so I tried out something new, but I'm just not into it. To be frank, it is not as precise to me and as easy to work with as a brush is. So that's what that looks like. And since I'm going to take a shower anyway, yeah, sorry I look like this. I came from a workout, so it's like the truth that I really was not going to be filming anything. Okay, but it was so good that I was tempted to. Fit check. Top, Uniqlo. Bottoms. My Thai friend got it for me from Thailand. Okay, so, and nothing on my feet. Nothing on my feet. Oh, except actually, look at those. That's for free. You're getting that for free. Can you believe that those are press-ons? So it's like a pedicure for $5, and they're amazing. They haven't come off yet. My toes have never looked so good. Okay, yeah, here, you know what would be funny, actually? I'm gonna do the thumbnail. Maybe you'll have seen it already, but it's just gonna be this in my foot. Hold on. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh, I don't want my hand in there, though. I just want... Yeah, there we go. That's good enough. We'll let the people guess what that is. That's my type of clickbait. Back to the point of this. I'm going to try this on my eyes right now. I am interested to just try it out to see if it will last all day without smudging and stuff. It's my main complaint initially that I had with the Tantadol eyeliner. So that's what that looks like. We can do a little euphoria eye moment, huh? What the kids are doing nowadays. Boom. Oh, well, that's nothing. How about a little artistry moment here? There you go. That's all you're gonna get from me. So yeah, it's another felt tip. I mean, it's honestly kind of on the thicker side too. So I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that. Moving on. Oh my gosh, I really need a pluck. Can you see all that hair that's growing? Disgusting. It's not as dark as I like it to be. It's a little transparent, I will say. But it didn't smudge initially while I'm applying. It didn't like spread out. It was already kind of moving around, but you know, I have oily lids and eyes, so at the very least, maybe it's able to be removed easily. It doesn't say it's waterproof in this, anywhere on this box at least. So kind of a pass on that one. Not super excited for that. At least the mask I get to try tonight with my husband. So it'll be like a fun activity. Oh, and you know what? Hey, this looks like it's not gonna give you, or it's not gonna fight you for dear life to cling on to your skin and your face, because I'm using this makeup eraser cloth, which works pretty well. It's good in a pinch, but it's like not the most amazing thing, right? Easier to use a cleansing oil in the shower to really get stuff off. That's not bad. So at least it comes off not too terribly awfully, which can be irritating in its own way. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope that wasn't long. Lots of crazy wild things happening. But yeah, I just wanted to share, I just want to share the goodness that the boxes have been lately. Okay, I've only had one kind of terrible one, but last month was awesome. This month was awesome. Really liking it. It looks like overall there's a lot more like skincare items. Maybe it's just because that's the trend right now versus makeup. Just in the many boxes I've had so far. I think I've only had like 4, but that's the trend I see. So thank you very much for watching. Yeah, have a wonderful rest of your evening. Goodbye.